After invention of AI, there is a speculation that all jobs will be replaced by AI. Whether it is true, let's find out. There is a remarkable story about a kid who was taken to 17 different doctors, but none could diagnose his condition. However, ChatGPT succeeded where they failed. The kid name is Alex and he suffered from a chronic pain for 3 years. His parents consulted various specialists, including dentist, ENT, and neurologist, but none could determine the cause of his pain. Frustrated with medical professionals, his parents took seemingly a simple step. They inputted all the Alex symptoms, lab reports, and MRI scans into ChatGPT, which diagnosed him with tented coat syndrome. None of the doctor has considered this diagnosis, but when they present this ChatGPT results to neurosurgeon, it was confirmed following surgery. Alex recovered. This story underscores importance of leveraging technology in your career to achieve exponential growth. What is your perspective of this story? Leave it in the comments.